Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's tutorial guys, how to premiere your video on YouTube. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to premiere your video. So first, you have to sign in on your YouTube account, and kung gusto mo mag-upload ng Premiere, create po tayo guys. Go to the create and then upload videos. Upload video tayo and then select files. So I'm gonna choose my files, my video that I just recently edited. So this is my video guys. So there you go. So first, details. In details guys is title. So the title of this video is to put some credit for the resources that I took from the internet. In gt.com and Pokpok Palayok, so that's it guys. And for the thumbnail, kailangan mo rin maglagay ng thumbnail guys. So I made some thumbnail for me. So this is it. Select, done. So this is my thumbnail. I exceeded on my title. I exceeded the character guys. My thumbnail is okay. So kailangan mo rin mag-select ng playlist guys. So I'm gonna select my playlist. I'm gonna put it in birthday celebration guys. Under the birthday celebration. Okay. Done. So you see guys, it's blue. Nag-blue na siya. So audience, this video is set to not made for kids. You need to set this up guys. This is not made for kids, so no, it's not made for kids. Oh, we need to finish this one also guys. Kailangan natin mag-wait for this to upload. So I'm gonna end this one first kasi hindi ko alam kung anong oras matatapos guys. Hello guys. Okay, so guys, after eternity na upload na rin 100% itong ating ina-upload. So after that, we can proceed to monetization. So i-click natin yung next monetization. We can choose or we can select on and off. So i-on natin yung ating monetization. So there are types of ads: display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable ads or non-skippable ads. So you can choose, guys, kung ano yung i-check mo. So pwede mo rin i-trim ano yung location of video ads mo, guys. So sa akin is naka-check yung before video, pre-roll, during video or mid-roll, and after video or post-roll. So after na-check mo lahat yan, guys, so you can proceed to the next. Ad sustainability. So ito, guys, is kailangan mo tong i-ano, guys, ad sustainability. Does your video's content, title, description, or keywords contain any of the following? Inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful or dangerous acts, drug-related content, hateful content, firearm-related content, sensitive issues. So, wala po kahit isa dyan yung aking content. So, none of the above. So, we're gonna go next. Video elements. Use cards and end screen to show viewers related videos, websites, calls to action, and calls to action. Pwede mo itong i-edit mamaya, guys. Itong ano na to. Pag natapos mo lahat, you can go back and then edit it. Kasi dito, hindi mo siya ma-add, hindi ka makapag-add. So, pagkatapos na lang, guys, pag naayos mo na. So, mag-next na lang muna tayo, guys. Visibility. So, dito po tayo, guys, mag-ano na ng Premiere. So, ito, guys. Set as Premiere, i-public. Set as Premiere. Set Premiere. And then schedule. Schedule natin. So, ang schedule nito, ipi-premiere ko ito on Friday. Bukas ka, ipi-premiere ko to bukas. Na 8:30 p.m. Lagyan natin 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Okay. So, set as Premiere. So, okay na, guys. Schedule na natin. Schedule. So, wait lang natin, guys, for loading. So, ito na, guys. Finish na. So, na-schedule na natin yung ating premiere for tomorrow at 8 p.m. 8:30 p.m. So, that's it, guys. Ganun lang po ang mag-premiere. So, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if meron po kayong mga katanungan or anything, may gusto pa kayong ipa-tutorial, kung meron pa po kayong mga hindi pa alam about YouTube. So you can comment below, guys. I'm willing to help you. So that's it, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. So see you again, guys, on my next tutorial, and thank you for watching. Bye.